Dennis back at it, Snags Creation. We're gonna be doing a durability test on this beautiful Bluepoint box that I got brand new. I just ordered it, came in yesterday. Nice sliding top. Come on. Like I said, beautiful box. Plenty of drawer space. So I just want to do like a little durability test. Well, that's already broken. So, but just say you're on it and you want to. Well, all right. Well, drawer still opens nicely, so that passes the test. Let's test out the second drawer. Ooh. It's very smooth. They don't lie when they tell you these carts are super durable.
Holy shit, man.
Yeah, that's great. Plenty of storage space. I mean, fit about anything in here. But yeah, like you're doing something, you're getting something out, and you're fucking pissed off, and and it still works. So that's, and then you get in. Alright, so I just one thing that I noticed about this box is the locking feature right here. That's supposed to lock all the drawers. It doesn't work, so all the drawers are shut, as you can see. All of them are shut. Now you see, it's supposed to be locked. And anyone can get in your toolbox.
You better snap out.
I mean, this is ridiculous. If you yank hard enough, you could just bypass the lock. Yeah. Ridiculous. It's fucking ridiculous. Ooh. And I guess the drawer just, or the sliding top just falls off by itself with the wheels. So if you get anything a little bit dirty on your box, you want to get yourself a can of brake parts cleaner. It's a cleaner for you. Just want to spray a little bit. Look at that, brand new.
How did that get there?
What?
The shoe mark.
I think it came from factory when they were putting it back together. They must have been like doing something with it, but yeah, that's looking good. It's looking good.
Wow.
Looks good.
Look at that straight edge.
What else can we... David noticed a little bend on the...
I actually used to do body work, so...
Maybe give it a little nice solid kick. That... I think you bent...
Look at them fun.
Too far, a little too far. Nothing you can't fix with... Dude, look at that.
This is an accident.
Nice and straight now. Dude, this...
Oh shit.
Alright, so David's just gonna do a quick demonstration of like, if you were to put some weight in the cart, obviously you're gonna wanna
That thing's pretty sturdy.
So if you would put some weight in there, it would be good, right?
Dude, this is pretty solid, man. Rolls pretty well, man. Just like having
Yeah, so one thing we noticed about the car, the drawers are kind of. Well, yeah, the drawers aren't the best. The drawers aren't
yeah,
the
they
best.
don't hold down. They seem a little flimsy there. I have to tell Marius.
Alright, so that's the review for the Bluepoint sliding car.